I'm Joey.
I'm Moon.
And we're Mr. Kate. We're getting ready to celebrate our first tropical holiday season in our new Island Dream Home fixer-upper, including creating a colorful holiday tree.
Wait, ow, up, go up. No, I don't have it. What's happening?
As well as spreading some holiday cheer.
It really means a lot to us. Thank you.
In the spirit of giving, today we are so excited to do a complete room makeover for a deserving 6-year-old cancer survivor, all thanks to Barbie and our sponsor, Mattel Children's Foundation. Happy holidays, everyone! Oh my gosh, that is a really tall bomb tree, holy crap. Whoa. Gotta watch out below, you don't want that landing on your head. We should go collect those fronds.
What the?
I'm definitely the craziest lady in the neighborhood. I'm so excited, you guys. This is gonna be such a special episode because we are decorating for the holidays, but also we are working with Barbie and the UCLA Mattel Children's Hospital to treat a 6-year-old cancer survivor to a Barbie Dreamhouse room makeover. It's just gonna be really special and fun.
Hello!
Hi. Kai was diagnosed when she was 3 years old. It was challenging along the way. She had a lot of ups and downs, but she's here today. She's stronger and getting stronger each day, recovering.
So we heard from your parents that this is your first time moving into like your big girl room together.
What do you want your room to look like?
A bunk-bed with a slide.
Ooh, a bunk bed with a slide. Do you have a favorite color collectively or multiple colors you guys like?
Purple and pink.
So you want to have a Barbie themed room?
Yeah.
She actually started liking Barbies from the hospital because her first Barbie was in the hospital, and it stayed with her until now. She always has a Barbie. So this means a lot to us.
I love that we're able to do this with my sister Taz helping because this is a room for 2 sisters, so it's just really special. Sister love. Kaya, we're so happy that you're feeling healthy and good, and this is an honor for us to do this for you. So we'll make sure it's amazing.
Yay!
So this bedroom that Kaya and Shania are going to share is actually a really great sized room. It's got high ceilings, so the bunk bed with the slide is totally gonna work. We're gonna really make sure we get their pink and purple theme in there. Obviously inspired by the Barbie Dreamhouse, we're gonna be bringing in lots of splashes of other colors like yellow and blue. There is a yellow accent chair, so we definitely have to bring in one of our own yellow accent chairs. Through the window is like a sunset beach view, so maybe using that to inspire some artwork could be really beautiful. They also have a pink slide, so maybe we need to paint the bunk bed slide pink. Also very inspired by the grassy turf that's underneath the slide, so maybe we need to bring in like a grassy rug. That could be really cool. We've also ordered some of the Barbie Wall Shop Dreamhouse wallpaper. So yeah, very inspired by the Barbie Dreamhouse, but it's also gonna be such a unique space. Kaya's story earlier this year, and we really wanted to treat her to a makeover. However, we've moved since, but fortunately we have my sister in LA and our LA team, and they're going to install the design with us obviously here remotely, making sure everything's going beautiful, Barbie-tastic. The way that we're making this tree look tropical inspired is I have some raffia that we're using as kind of like a ribbon garland wrapped around the tree. Also, we got these big faux flowers that were really inexpensive. For the base of the tree, we're using these woven mats, and then I'm just covering up the base of the tree with Moon's old baby play mat. I've got some other faux palm leaves that we're sticking in to just add more greenery and more shape, but give it that kind of tropical flair again amongst the evergreen.
So something else that we really wanted to make sure we're doing this holiday season is giving back to the local community here in Hawaii. So we actually asked Barbie and Mattel if they would send us some stuff to donate locally, and they sent us a ton of stuff. We have like hundreds of toys that we're gonna be able to wrap up and take out to children's hospitals and children's charities here on the island, which is very exciting. If you're feeling like you want to give back this holiday season, you can click the link in the description below to donate to the UCLA Mattel Children's Hospital Party on the Pier program, which helps fund the clinical programs and leading research that betters the lives of children at UCLA and around the globe. One gift down, 500 to go.
You guys installing a new sink faucet?
Yep.
Thank you. Go get the tools.
Hey guys, it's Tess, Mr. Kate's little sister. I'm very excited and honored because Kate has left me in charge of helping her and Joey finish up this Barbie dream room. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this bunk bed with a super cool slide and we're gonna paint the slide hot Barbie pink, which should be very awesome, just like the real thing. We're also gonna take these cool paper lanterns and put battery operated twinkly lights inside of them, hang them from the ceiling with this cool canopy, and it's just gonna be a really big wow moment right when you walk in. We're also gonna hand paint some custom Barbie Dreamhouse inspired artwork to go throughout the room to just really give it that extra wow factor. Hope you guys enjoy. Wish us luck. We hope we make you proud, Mr. Kate.
Watch the tree. Okay, we don't want to go with like
Do you want this side or the other side? Facing out.
Maybe I picked too big a one. Some of you at home are like, stop while you're ahead with the tree, but no, I'm getting those palm fronds up.
This way, this way. Wait, out, up,
Wait,
up, wait, out, up, go up. Kate, go up.
we could put snowflakes on. Ooh, disco balls. We have these twinkle lights. We could put these up with the palms. What do you think?
We're so excited to show you how this room turned out for Kaya and Shania. We're gonna watch along with you guys. Kaya's nurse is also here for the big reveal. She was with Kaya through the whole process, and we're just excited for everyone to see this room. Like, all these people deserve a little moment of magic.
Hi, I'm Millicent, and I'm one of the child life specialists at UCLA Mattel Children's Hospital, and I've worked with Kaya and her family throughout her treatment. Her very, very, very last day of treatment, Barbie made a special Zoom appearance, and so was able to kind of be there and celebrate with her on her last day of getting chemo. So to kind of bring this full circle and to see that she is going to get a very big Barbie surprise with her and Shania, it's just really amazing. I'm humbled that I actually get to be here to see how they're gonna react. I think that's like the biggest gift for me today.
All right, so remember what the room looked like before.
2, 1, open. Oh.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
god, that is nice. Look at your bunk bed.
Excited? Yeah, are you happy?
Oh my god, look. What is that, Shania?
A Barbie dream house.
Oh my goodness. Oh, and what is that? Isn't that nice? Oh my goodness. Oh, look it up there. Oh, did you see what's there?
A Barbie airplane.
It is.
I really like the fact that there's an area where they can do homework and draw.
Draw, play. Do you guys love it?
Yeah.
They love it. I'm so glad they love it. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. This was so special to do this for them. I'm so happy that their parents love it as well. Their parents have been through so much, obviously, along this journey. And wow, thank you so much, Barbie.
We'd like to say thank you to Mr. Kate and Joey and their team and to everybody who made this for her. I just want to say thank you very much. It really means a lot to us. Thank you.
Aww, that's so sweet. Happy holidays, everybody. Thank you so much for hanging out with us this episode. Thank you, Patel family, for trusting us. And yeah, we love you guys so much. Happy holidays to everybody. Mwah. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah.
Come help us. Hey guys, put the cameras down. We're all wrapping. Thanks, Barbie, and thank you, Mattel Children's Foundation, for sponsoring this video.
Coming up on Mr. Kate in Paradise. She's here! The package!
Got a little bit of rain, and we're really flooded.
Yeah.